live on two platforms today. One is Twin Stance Art Studios and one is my channel as well. So hi guys, without wasting much time, I came a little early because this is going to be a little strenuous routine. Hi everyone, I'm so excited for today. If I go a little squint in the middle, please excuse me because I'm looking at two cameras. So yeah, I'm very excited. Firstly, thank you Twin Stance Art Studios, Shraddha for having me here, and hello my beautiful people on my channel. So we're going to start with a little bit of warm up. I won't do much because it will be little time tasking, but everyone should do a little bit of stretching and workout before you start Garba, otherwise you can have injuries. So be safe, and also I hope everyone's home and safe and not out and taking good care of themselves. So બધા મળીને હવે આપણે ચાલુ કરશું ગરબા. I hope all my Gujju fam is with me and all of you guys are with me also. I might not be reading the comments that much because two phones is too much for me. So let's start with okay, let some people join in. I came in a little earlier because I thought time लगेगा सबको आने में, और I just came 2 minutes early though, but 2 मिनट तो मैं बातें ही करने में चले जाएंगे. तो hi fam, hello everybody. I know you guys are excited and so am I. I'm very excited because so the song which has been choreographed, Arsh Miss and Sameer sir, I was doing small show called Varnam years back, and they had trained me that time. So they are in a way my gurus also. So I would want to dedicate this entire piece to them as well. And let's begin without wasting much time. I hope you guys are ready to dance it. Okay, I have music ready and I'm going to start with arm workout because generally there are a lot of arm movements that happen, and then I'm going to like just lift my salwar to show you my leg movements also, what we're going to do. Yes, so please follow and let's not waste time. Okay, so now we're going to start with the choreography. It's a little simple but a little difficult also. So let's start, and yeah. Okay, so the first okay, also I'm going to be using the YouTube version of this song. So I hope you guys have that song also. Of course YouTube तो सबके पास होगा, तो वो गाना भी सबके पास आ जाएगा. तो मैंने YouTube वर्जन लिया है, तो हम YouTube वर्जन से वाला सॉन्ग स्टार्ट करते हैं, ठीक है? सो द फर्स्ट स्टेप ऑफ द सॉन्ग स्टार्ट्स विथ लेफ्ट टैप राइट, राइट टैप लेफ्ट, लेफ्ट tap right, right tap left 4 times. Okay, so and our hands swing 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and okay, so let's club both of them together. We go 1 and 2 3 and 4. Yes, the music, there is music. So on music we go dum ta 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 dum ta 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 dum ta 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 dum ta ta ta. Yes. Now there are 2 variations to this. You can leave your hand and get it up, or you can hit back, hit back, hit back, hit back. Both are whatever is easy and comfortable for you. 2 variations. I suggest leave and leave, leave and leave. Let your arms sway. So and also if you see, I let my body a little diagonally to get that taste. 1, 2, 3, 4. The side I'm going, I'm facing that side. Okay, so this is the first step of the dance routine. Moving ahead, we go kick, step, cross, kick, step, cross. Okay, now if you don't cross, it's okay for me. You go kick, step, touch, kick, step, touch. Yes, my hands go 1 and 2 and. Yes, so I'm almost like feeling my hands and coming back. Okay, so kick and kick and. Yes, from there I go cross, and when I cross I open with my left hand up and right hand down. So the entire step looks like this: 1 and 2 and 3. Yes, from there obviously our right leg has been crossed forward, so you can't turn this side. Naturally you will turn over your left shoulder and you will throw a clap on the floor. Okay, once more. So we go kick and cross, turn, throw. Yes, this is the first step of the lyrics. So it goes like this: Vagyo re dhol bhai, vagyo re dhol. Don't let it go, let your body go completely down, almost like your head touching the floor. Okay, so from the first step, so we learned 2 steps so far, okay, which is 1, 2, 3, 4 and Vagyo re dhol bhai, cross and go. Yes, from there, I hope everyone's getting what I'm saying. Can I move ahead? Can I move ahead, ladies and gentlemen? Thank you, Sana Sayed. Very nice, very nice. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to continue after this. Yes, it's very simple. From here, I'm going to catch my clap and make a rainbow. Now, my legs go tap, right tap and left tap. When I'm tapping my right, I'm clapping. Okay, so tap and rainbow. Tap and rainbow. This will be twice. So the entire routine will look like Vagyo re dhol bhai, vagyo re dhol, vagyo re dhol bhai, vagyo re dhol. Yes, from there we continue the same thing again. Vagyo re dhol bhai, vagyo re. 1, get your clap back. Okay, 1, 2. From here we do the famous Tron Tali. Okay, so it goes like 1, 2, 3. And get your hands on the back. So the entire piece will look like this from the first step. 5, 6, 7, 8. Dun, 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 dun. 6, 7, 8. Vagyo re dhol bhai, vagyo re dhol, vagyo re dhol bhai, vagyo. Once more and vagyo re dhol bhai, vagyo re dhol mara. Yes, can we do this on sound? If everyone's cool with it? Yes, no, maybe. I think we should try it on sound. What say you guys? It'll be a good thing. Let's try it on sound. Come on. The more you guys get it, keep sending me thumbs up. Let's go.
મારા ફીલિંગ લાગે ને તેવી ગરબાની તલબ લાગી છે.
5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. I hope you guys got so much. Can I move ahead or you want to do once more on sound? Saras Lagi Saras Vagyore Dhol. Thank you. Should we do it once more or can I move ahead? Hey Gulab, hey Reet Bhatia. I think we should do it once more so that everyone gets the feel of it, the sound and all of that and have fun. So let's do it once more on sound and then I'll move ahead. Awesome. Who should we do it once more?
તેવી ગરબાની તલબ લાગી છે.
5, 6, 7, go! 2, 3, 1, go! And yes. Hi everybody, whoever joined in. It's not a very difficult choreography. I'm sure y'all are kind of sort of getting it. And it's very simple after this. So, should I continue? I think I should continue. Okay, sorry. Okay, I'll continue. Okay? So, we did. Okay, now we finished Vagyore Dhol. From here we go right leg cross forward, left leg cross back and right leg get open. So it is cross, tap, open. Now our hands go clap, clap, throw. Clap, clap, throw. Okay, I clap with my right above, left super and then throw in the air. Okay, so I go clap, clap, throw, and from there we go up and up and up and up. Now I'm moving over my left shoulder. So watch, I have my right leg up, my body is on the left side. Then I turn over my right shoulder. Again, left side, right side, turn over my right shoulder, left side, right side. So the entire thing looks like this. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and. Yes? So the entire thing will look like this. Vagyore dhol bhai, Vagyore dhol, Vagyore dhol bhai, Vagyore. Once more. Vagyore dhol bhai, Vagyore. Mara mitha garma. Left, back, left, front, left and right hand. Yes? Kind of, sort of. Nikita, I will do it once more so that you understand. So, after we finish this cross and from here we cross with our right leg forward, back, throw the clap and to go. Left clap, back, left clap, front, left clap and right clap. Yes? This is a very easy Dodyu Popat step. Okay? Awesome you guys, so much love. Okay? So we go left, back, left, front, left and right hand. Okay? Awesome. I'm getting thumbs ups and highs. Yes, Nish will do it from the beginning. So, from the beginning, we go 1, 2, 3, 4, right, left, cross, and tap, up, tap, once more. Vagyore dhol bhai, Vagyore dhol, mara bhutana. Ha! 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and. Yes? It's very simple. So basically we start with left, back, left and right hand. Dodu Popat step, new step. It's not in the video. I thought for people who have come, I'll teach something new. Okay? So, can I move ahead? Very simple after this. Or can we try it on sound once? Sound. Happening. Preeti. Love you. Preeti said it's happening. Awesome. Can you do it slow from the start? Okay, Deepthi, I'll do it very slowly from the beginning. So, I tap my right first and I face left side. Okay, so I tap 1, 2, 3, 4. From here I go right, left, cross, and we open our arms. Left hand up, right hand down. Turn and throw the clap on the floor. From there you pick up a clap and make a rainbow. Pick up a clap and make a rainbow twice. From there the same step again. Bagyo re dhol bhai, bagyo re dhol. 3 claps. 1, 2, 3. Ha! Left, back, left, front, left and right hand. Okay? Now make sure when you are clapping, don't cover your face. This will not be a very pretty sight. Make sure you clap like this. So clap, clap. Yes? Can I move ahead? Love the choreo. Thank you, Kavish. Okay, awesome. I'm moving ahead. So from here, after you finish 2 claps, from here, now watch my legs. Cross forward, out, back and turn only half. That's facing back. Okay, so I go cross, out, back and turn only facing the back. Okay, now when I'm crossing, my hands go opposite direction. You can't cross like this. It's very awkward bodily. So I cross out. So when I cross, my hand goes opposite side. When I cross out, my hand goes opposite side. And when I go down, hug yourself with your left hand to your stomach and right hand on your back. So the entire step looks like this. Cross, out, hug and turn. Again, thank God. I thought I lost you guys somewhere. Again, okay, again. So, we go cross, out, cross back and turn. Only half a turn facing the back wall or mirror or whatever you have behind you. Okay? And the hands go on the opposite direction. 1, 2, 3 and turn. Okay? So, the lyrics are Podu thayu ne pachi, podu thayu. Okay, now if there are people who can do more than half or one spin, can go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, but finish back. Okay, we have to finish back. But I recommend do a half a circle so it looks clean. Don't try to do extra when you can't do it bodily. Yes, so we go cross, out, back, half turn. From here we go clap down and open, clap down and open. Now when I clap down, I cross my right behind and open both my arms. I clap down and cross my left behind and open both my arms. Okay? So, from the beginning we'll do it once more. Is everyone with me? Hi Burchu! Hello! Perfect. So we'll do it once without music and then I'll do it with music and then we'll move ahead. Okay? Okay. So, we will, okay, so from here we go, right tap, left tap, right tap, left tap, Vagyo re dhol bari, Vagyo re dhol, Vagyo re dhol bari, once more, and Vagyo re dhol bari, Vagyo re dhol, Trandali, ha, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, left and right. Podu thayu ne pachi, podu thayu, podu thayu ne pachi, podu thayu. Yes? Is everyone with me so far? Okay, Pinky, I will go slower than this. I'm really sorry if you think I'm going fast. But I hope everyone's on the same page. I think we should do it on sound. And if you can't catch up with me, I'm going to save this slide video. so y'all can watch slower and learn, because we have only 1 hour's time. I can't finish the entire choreography in that. So I think it'll be easier and simpler if I finish the choreography, then we can keep running over it again and again. Yes? Awesome. We'll go on, do it on sound. I love you guys. Love you, love you. Okay, let's go. I hope. See, you all should understand one thing, the show must go on. My hairband came out, but I continued. So please remember to continue and not stop. Okay. I hope you guys got it. It's pretty simple so far. Happening, Preeti. Awesome. Preeti said it's happening. Lovely choreography. Thank you, Nish. Hi, Dhruv. Hi, Abhishek. Hi, Pratiksha. I hope you guys are following what I'm doing so far. Okay, so we'll do it once more and then I'll move ahead. It's very simple from here onwards. Okay, let's go. 6, 7, go! 2. So, I continue now. It's very simple choreography now. You should be sweating by now, like how I am. Sorry about the sweat though. I think I should move ahead. It's, I think, 5 steps more and we'll be done with the choreography. I've added Ghoral, I have met you at Falguni Pathak's. You're just up. Thank you, Nidhi Mehta. That's great. I'm glad you saw me at Falguni Pathak. Okay, Pinky, I'll do it faster. Someone's saying go slow, someone's saying go fast. I'm confused. But I'll go on my speed so that everyone's with me. Can we move ahead now? Should we do it again? I think we'll move ahead, then we'll do it 5-6 times more. So everyone will come ऐसे path में line में. Can you repeat the back part again? Okay. So after we finish, podu, 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 turn back. From here I clap, open right and open my arms. Clap, open left, open my arms. Now when I'm clapping, I'm making sure I'm almost touching the floor. Don't do cheating. Don't just clap here. It won't look neat, clean or graceful. It will look like you are doing cheating. And I don't believe in cheating. Okay? So we clap, open right, open our arms. Clap, open left, open our arms. Okay? Moving ahead. Very simple choreography. 5 more steps and we'll be done. Then we'll keep running it over and over again. Okay? So we finished. Open right, open left. From here, since we are facing forward, we go right, left, left, right, left. This is my row your boat step. So both my hands go back, row and row. Now my legs go right, left, left, left. Imagine we are rowing a boat. So right, left, left. Yes? So it goes ek sajjan bam dam ting tin tin tin. Okay? So let's do once more on sound from the beginning. Thank you, Rin. Abhishek, can try once with slow music. What? How do it? You want me to sing and do it, matlab? I'm confused. Everyone's confusing me. Pinky just said, can you sing the song? Okay, I will sing the song, but please bear with me. I'm really sorry. I'm not a very good singer. So, but from where I can sing the song, but from where? Where do you want me to do it? Okay, I'm just going to continue. So we go right, left, left. From here, my leg goes forward and back. This is my right leg. Okay, so right leg goes forward and back. And my hands go throw, take it in, throw. So the entire step looks like 1, 2, 3. Yes? So this will be after Sajjan Mamma Janu Kodu Thayu. From here, we take 2 spins, 1 and 2 and. Now my right hand is up, my left hand is down. I'm almost spinning with the help of my right hand. If you guys are not comfortable with your hands, hold your skirt, keep your arms open and turn, whatever you want, but make sure it looks good. Don't just do, that will look very shabby and unclean. Even if you can just do one circle and just, stay in position and just sway, it's okay with me. Because spins happen with technique, and then you need like a lot of technique, spotting and stuff like that. That won't be possible in such a short span of time. So we go right, left, forward, in, back, and turn, and up and down. Twice. Okay. So from the beginning, I'm going to do it without sound till here, and then there are 4 more steps, I don't remember, but I'll finish the choreography, then we'll keep doing it on music again and again, so everyone is with me on the same page. Okay? So from the beginning, we go 1, 2, 3, 4. Vaagyo re dhol bhai, vaagyo re dhol, vaagyo re dhol bhai, vaagyo re dhol, vaagyo re dhol bhai, vaagyo re dhol. Turn, taali pade and vaagyo re dhol. Turn, left and right and kodu thayu ne pachi kodu thayu. Right open, left open, right, left, up, in, down, turn, up, in, down, and. Now there are 3 more steps. I'm going to finish it, then we try going around sound. Okay? So from here, we go elbow, back and back. Okay, now when I'm doing elbow, I'm hitting my right leg. So elbow, now the right leg goes back and the left leg goes back. Okay, so this is on music. Ho, 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 ho. Once more. And ho, 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 ho. Now from here, I take my right leg cross, out, and circle in. In this, we can just do 2, 3, 4. Yes? Be easier for you all. What I did right now is called a popat. But let's just do simple. We go out. Yes? Now what we did in the beginning was down. Now what we're doing is up. So the accents are different, but it's kind of a similar step. Okay? So let's do it from Vaagyo re dhol again. Kodu. Let's do it from Kodu. So kodu thayu ne pachi from there. Okay, 5, 6, 7, 8. Na. Right, open. Left, open. Right, left. Up and down. Turn and up and down. Elbow. Ho. Back. Ho. Once more. And ho. Back. Ho. Now from here, we are going to do spins. Now how many of you can do? You can just 1, 2, 3, 4. These are 2 spins, but if you can do 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep your arms open. Let that ghagra also flow. Men ka khediya can flow, and it will all look very beautiful. Okay. From here, last step of the Okay, Nish, I'll show the last and second last step, which is I'll just do it from this again. Podu podu. Okay, 5, 6, 7, 8. Podu thayu ne pachi podu thayu. Turn right, turn left. Ek sajjan bambajadu. Up and down. Turn and up and down. Elbow, oh, oh. Back, right and left once more. Oh, oh, oh. Back, oh, 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 oh. And up, turn. Dole, 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 dole. Wagyu. Okay, from your last step, then we'll do it from the beginning once, then I'll do it on song. Yes, after the 4, 2, 3, how many of spins you can do? We go to the basic of Garba. Okay, so we clap and snap, clap and snap. I'm clapping on my left side first, and then I'm finishing on my right. So it goes Wagyu re bhai Wagyu re dhol, Wagyu re dhol bhai Wagyu re dhol. Now, there is 4 counts of music piece. So you can end it with however you want to. So it goes dun 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 dun. Hey, dun 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 dun. Hey. Okay, so we end it with that. Oh, I'm so tired. So let's try it on sound now, and it will be a lot of fun. I hope you guys are sweating like how I am, and we don't have much time also. We're done with the choreography, guys. Yay! Okay, so I'm going to do it once on sound. Then I'm going to try and wear my ghagra and do it with the ghagra to get the feel of it. So everyone's on the same page. Awesome. Let's try it from the beginning, and we'll have fun together.
જેને જેનો ઉપકાર માનવો હોય પછી માનજો બાપા એના ઢોલ વગાડે
Let's have fun, guys.
કેવી ગરબાની તલબ લાગી છે
6, 7, go! Talking about, which you have to do on your own. Dun, 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 dun. Yeah, where I spun, then I came forward, and whoo, and then again I went back. So that's what you have to do on your own. I hope you guys had fun. I'm just going to wear my ghagra and do the same routine again. You guys can watch, do it with me, have fun. I'm having a lot of fun. So I'm a little exhausted. खाना अच्छे से खाना चाहिए था. Thank you, Nish. I'm glad you like the choreography. Thank you, Pratiksha. Thank you, Nikita. I love you guys. Okay, so I'm going to quickly wear my ghagra. 5 seconds, and we have enough time. So if you guys kind of sort of got the choreography, I'll add you guys on the live feed, and we can do it together and have so much fun. Okay, I'm going to just wear the ghagra. 5 more seconds, yes? Keep counting. Oh, I can play the song till then. Till I'm wearing my ghagra, so that you all can rehearse in the song. Awesome. If there's any confusion, ask me later. Yeah?
માનવને અફીની લાગે ને કેવી ગરબાની તલબ લાગી છે
1, 2, 3, go! Sorry, I'm sweating too much today. Good 1,000 calories burned. So, we're going to do it from the beginning with my beauty Ghagra and you guys also. So, let's go on sun. If you guys have any questions, if you want me to repeat anything or any suggestions, please ask me now because I'm close to the screen and I can read your questions. When I'm there, if you guys talk, I can't see. That's a problem. Preeti, thank you. My mom has designed this Ghagra. She's my personal designer. Thank you, Jil Doshi. Thank you, Nikita Shah. Hi. Okay. Shandar Zabardast. Thank you, Abhishek. Thank you, Falguni Auntie. Thank you, Rizwan Ali. Swati, thank you so much. Wow, so much love. I like it. Thank you. You guys are amazing, guys. Thank you for coming, joining my choreography. I love doing Garba. Vishal, I will be saving my live video so you can watch and learn. It's only going to be there for 24 hours, so जितना आप जल्दी सीख सको आपके लिए अच्छा होगा. Hi Meet, it's good to see you here. Yes, Darshan, I hope you got the choreography. Your wish is my command. Hey Tui Pinky, hi everybody. I'm so glad I'm getting so much love. Thank you so much. It's because of you guys I'm doing this choreography and I love this. Thank you Rin for everything. And special shout out to Shraddha and Shweta. I love you guys. Because of you I'm here and I have so many people with me online learning this choreography. So thank you, thank you. Yes, Nirali, I will be putting up a video of me doing this piece like on my feed, so you guys can share it across, and I'll be putting it up on YouTube also, so you can share it across and make it viral and have fun. Okay, Hitvi, you should join TDS. It's a beautiful, brilliant dance studio. I love it personally. It was my first Garba dance workshop that I had taken there, and I love the response and the people and everything over there. So definitely do join TDS. Big shout out. Okay, Kinjal, I will try. And I'm loving the hearts coming in, and I hope you guys are ready. बहुत बातें हो गई क्योंकि इसके बाद वीडियो बंद हो जाएगा, तो हम नाचते हैं 2-3 बार, फुल ऑन करते हैं और फिर एंड में हम बातें करेंगे वापस. ठीक है? सो लेट्स डू इट ट्वाइस इफ वी हैव द एनर्जी, back to back, which will build your stamina also. Like you all can do a fabulous job. I hope you got what I was saying. Anyway, so I'm going to play sound. We'll do it twice, back to back. And thanks Gurmeet. Okay, so much love. Okay, from the beginning, let's go.
જેને જેને ઉપકરણમાં હોય પછી માંજો બાપા.
Okay, once more without talking. Let's go.
જેને જેને ઉપકરણમાં હોય પછી માંજો બાપા. એના ઢોલ વગાડ વાયરાને અફીની લાગે ને એવી ગરબાની તલબ લાગી છે.
1, 2, 3, go. ही गई हूँ, आप ही गई. Tired. I hope you guys had fun. I had amazing, tremendous, awesome, amazing fun. That much that I am going out of breath. Thank you, Nish. Thank you, Anna. Hi, Amdaki. Hi, everyone who just joined in. I hope you liked it. Akash Singh Rajput. Thank you. Yes, Pooch, it has to be full on sweaty and energetic. I'm glad you liked it. Thank you, Nirali. Nirali says my both daughters enjoying very much. So thank you, Nirali. Nice try last ending. Thank you. I keep trying, experimenting and doing things which I think won't be able to do it, but kuch na kuch ho jata hai, so it's fun. Thank you, Kavish Thakkar or Thakkar, I'm not sure exactly, but thank you. He says, thank you so much. Loved it. Keep it up. Thank you. Rash Leela, once more. I'm not associated with any dance groups. No Ras Leela, no Thangad, no SSGD. I have my own thing. So, Goral Joshi choreography. Thank you, Rit. Rit says I have a beautiful smile. So, thank you. Once more, Niba. Okay, let's do it once more. Shas Nehal says it's a very graceful choreography. Thank you. Vishal Padra says it's really amazing choreography. Thank you. बहुत आभार. Thank you for joining me and learning of this simple yet fun choreography. Also, I want everyone to do one small thing for me. So before we start the left clap, let's all shout a hey together to get that energy to do this step. It actually gives you a lot of energy if you shout, and so when I dance with my group, we all pass each other energy, and it's very important. Right now I can't see you guys, but I'm sure there's immense energy over there. So when we're doing this step, na ha, cha, you should all shout ha, 2, 3, 4, and 1 and 2 and. It'll be awesome fun. Let's all gather the energy and get it out. Let's do it once more, and we'll have fun together. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So is everyone ready? Nish, I haven't learned Garba from anywhere. I have been dancing since I was 3 years old. तो जितना भी सीखा है देख के सीखा है. कोई ऐसा मेरा गरबा गुरु नहीं रहा है. But I have watched and learned, and more than anything I just listen to the lyrics and take it inside me and just throw it out to the universe, and it's so much fun when you can do things that you thought that you'll never be able to do. So मेरे लिए एक खुद से एक challenge था, and I have not learned Garba as such, but I have done a few shows with Arshnis Samir sir and Sanjay Leela Bansali, and it is it's a learning experience while choreographing also. Like right now when I'm teaching you guys, I'm also learning so much of how also don't throw your energy everywhere. Sometimes you have to control the energy also and not give it out. So also remember techniques and ways where you can hold the choreography, hold the energy and then throw the energy. So don't be like all over the place, but where you have to be graceful and not do any leg movements or body movements. Be graceful, be nice, feel, enjoy, have fun. So that is my mantra, and that's what has got me till here where I am right now. I've been dancing in Falguni Pathak since 2007. So that's been around 13 years. Hit me, my Insta ID is @Goralee, GORALEE. On YouTube, I'm Goral Joshi, GORALJOSHI, and on Facebook also I have Goral Joshi page. So yeah, I will hopefully have people watching my Insta. I'll be saving up this story as well as TDAS story, so both of us can together, have fun. Please say how to fly maximum when we do round jump. Want to know that point where to apply maximum energy. Vishal Padra. If you want to learn about spins, barrels, etc., I'm going to be taking a class specially for that after the quarantine gets over, where I'll be teaching barrels and jumps and bed tuck and hinge and spins and everything. That won't. But for now, just concentrate on this choreography and let's have fun. Okay, so do you have any more questions? I think we are kind of running out of time. Oh no, we have 10 minutes more. So let's do this one last time and then we can talk about here and there. Also, I'm going to be saving up this live video so that you guys, if you guys are a little slow at learning, you guys can catch up by watching it and it will be better for you guys. I'll be putting up video as well of this choreography on my Instagram feed. My Instagram feed, please follow me @GoralLee, GORALEE. Alright, let's do it one last time, two last times or three last times. Okay, one last time, and give your full out, have fun. If you forget steps, it's okay, continue and don't think about anything else, just have fun. Enjoy the song, enjoy the feel, and no one's judging you, no one's watching you. Just feel and have fun. Awesome. I hope you guys had fun. I had a lot of fun. Should we do it once more? I have the energy. You guys have the energy to do it once more. Oh no, thank you. Okay, this needs a lot of energy. I think you'll have burned some 500, 800,000 calories. I think. Hey mom, thank you. Mom is my best support all the time. Preeti, I love you too. Thank you. So sweet. We should do it once more. Should we do it once more? Nirva Sangvi says once more. Swati says once more. Let's do it once more. I love the energy in the class, guys. Let's go. Now I'm dead. No. I know it's a mess. Treat for the eyes in lockdown, Darshan. Thank you. That's so sweet. Thank you. Guys, you should be sweating like how I am. Thank you, Nikita. Okay, two things. How much ever choreography you all have learned, it's okay for me. I want a sweaty selfie tagging me and Twins Dance Art Studios. And I want a tutorial, I want a video of whatever you all have learned so far. And tag me and Twins Dance Art Studios. And I will reshare it. And yeah, I love you guys for coming here today and being a part of this fun choreography. And a lot of people have asked me who was in my video. She's my cousin sister who stays in Dubai. And the choreography that we made that time was literally in 2 minutes. 2 minutes. We didn't think about it. And if you see the video, it's a little dark because she came from work, we choreographed and we went under her building and we shot. And it was beautiful. It was, I'm not doing it for competition or to prove anyone. It's just for me and everybody over there. So that's why, thank you guys once again for coming. Is there anyone who wants to join and just say hi to me? We have another 5 to 7 minutes, I think. Oh, we don't have much time. But if there's anyone, there's no one who wants to join. Okay, if there's anyone who wants to join, can come. Last 3 to 4, 5 minutes. But thank you guys very much. I love the hearts coming in. Yay, I love you guys. Thank you. I hope the choreography was easy for you guys. Okay, there's Kalpesh Sangvi who wants to come. Okay, I'm waiting for Kalpesh Sangvi to come in. And then he'll tell us how he liked the choreography and the video. I'm sweating so much, guys. Kalpesh, I think your video is stuck. I can't see you. Anybody else wants to join? Oh. Okay, love the hearts coming in. Yeah, thank you so much, guys. Thank you, Neva. Thank you, Shelly Shah. Oh, I love the Guju fam coming in. Ghatkopar, Guju. Oh, my brother-in-law is from Ghatkopar. I love Ghatkopar, food and people. Too much love. Anna says, I look so hot. Thank you so much, Anna. Beauty lies in the eyes of the beholder. So, thank you. And I hope you followed the choreography. Oh, thank you. She says awesome session. So, I'm sure she joined it. I don't know what just happened. Okay. Sorry, I'm sweating too much also. Oh. Nirali says, loved your dance. Thank you, Nirali. Thank you, Anna. Anna says, you're truly a Garba queen. Thank you. Anna, I'm glad you tried at least. Love, 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 love. Preeti, I might just fall in love with you. Preeti says, you're so hot and cute. Thank you, Preeti. That's too much. Okay, so I think my live session is going to go and I'm sweating too much, guys. I think I'm going to show my back today because my back is so sweated the most, I think. Kalpesh Sangvi, I'm trying to add you, but I cannot. Maybe there is some issue with the internet. Vijay Shah, I'm going to try and add you. Vijay Shah Riley. Sorry, I can't. Hetvi is asking if there is any Garba workshop of yours. Not anytime soon. I already taught Radha Nisham on my channel, and I just did for my followers Amit Trivedi's song, which is beautiful. Runjun Karti Avi. Moti Verana, sorry. Mayur Daga has sent me. Nirali says my daughters are loving it. Thank you so much, Nirali. Mayur Daga. I can't add people on TDAS. Okay. Pratiksha, I don't think we have enough time to do it one more time, but I'm going to save up this video so you can like watch it and do it. And on YouTube, the song is available. So I've taken the YouTube version of this song. So for everybody over there, it's the YouTube version of the song. Please make sure you rehearse, practice on the YouTube version of the song. Yes, because there are quite a few different versions of the songs of this song. So. I'm very excited today, guys. I'm so excited. I love Garba. I had a back problem, but now I'm like so fit. I can do 10 more times. I'm so excited. But for you guys, I will be doing it once more, and it will be put up on my feed so you guys can watch. And Riddhi says hi, Goral. Hi, Riddhi. Hi, Rishal Shrivastava. Hi, Majid. Hello, Darshan. Oh, we've met before. Darshan has come live on my feed once. Okay. I don't know what's the issue now, but thank you guys. We have barely 3 minutes, 2 minutes, 1 minute, and we go out. So I'm just gonna say lots of thank you, and you are pura O. What is O? Piyush. You are aura. I don't know what that means. If you're not sweating like this, I'm like wet. Okay, guys, 20 seconds more. And one last time, thank you very, very much. And I will see you guys soon. I hope you like my choreography. Tag me, sweaty selfie, don't forget. And follow me at @Goral Lee, Goral Joshi on YouTube. Thank you very much. See you.